Can you hear her snoring? Cute is that? It's been so busy. Oh my gosh, Gracie, did you wake up? Hi, Peanut. Hi. I love you. You were in a coma, aren't you? You were snoring. Oh.